So welcome everyone. Today's video is going to be an introduction to Google Apps. Not many people know that Google has a lot of cool apps that make it very easy for you online and depending on the type of work you do. So today is an introduction to Google Apps. So I've clicked on my Google Chrome browser to log into my Google account. So now I'm going to log into my Google account. If you already have a Google account, all you need to do is to log in. But if you don't have a Google account, you can create one. I think I'll also do a video on that, how to create a Google account. So right now I'm trying to log into Google Accounts login page. I'll just select Google account login and this pops up. I'll choose the first option, sign into Google Accounts. It takes me to this page. As you can see, here are my Google accounts. I have two, so I'll select the one I want to log into. And I'll enter my password and click next. So now I've clicked next. So it's taking me into my Google account. So this is my Google account homepage. As you can see, my picture is there and all the things I can do in my account. This is the dashboard. So now to go to Google Apps, you go to the right hand side of your screen where you have your small icon, your small picture. You see this dotted square, right? It says Google Apps. When you click on it, you can see all the Google apps will appear. They are actually available to you once you have a Google account. You can see all these apps are free for you to use as a Google account owner. Guys, this is very, very good. You don't have to download apps to do all these things. All these Google apps are for you. You can see Google Earth, Classroom, Keep, Books, Google Docs, Google Sheets, which is the same as Excel. You can see Blogger, where you can even put your blog posts, even photos where you can save your picture, translate, calendar. You can actually save your contacts on Google. Google Drive for you to save whatever you want to save. Google Meet, which is just like Zoom. Then of course your Gmail, YouTube, Google Play Store, Search, Google My Business. So many cool apps that you can take advantage of once you have a Google account. So guys, I encourage you all to take advantage of all these apps that are available to you by opening a Google account. And if you don't have a Google account, if you already have a Google account, just take advantage of them. It took me some time to actually start taking advantage of all these things. So guys, this is intro to Google Apps. I hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe and comment on what you want me to make videos on. Bye.